Awesome. What's the name again? We don't have a name yet?
Gia.
Gia. Alright, I like. What's up, Gia? Oh, she's scared of me? Oh. Girl.
Girl. What do you think, Gabrielle?
Let's see if we hold up. I try to have the cover hold up in the backyard.
Can you pick her up really carefully? Really careful. I gotta be real gentle.
I'm shaking.
Come on.
Dude, I didn't get one text. Just that you had the packet, don't you? Oh.
What do you think?
Ours?
It's ours. Are you so excited? Isn't she cute? Do you love her?
Oh, that's a good surprise, right? Get back up there, Ethan, that smile.
Just show you the video of when they handed her to Christy.
Oh.
Hello. So cute.
I got